t-shirt, jacket, dress, trainers. Can you name your clothes in English? Today we learn clothes and fashion vocabulary. Let's get dressed. Welcome back to Learn Languages. I'm your English teacher. Clothes vocabulary is something you use every day. When you shop, travel, or describe someone, you need these words. Let's start with clothing items. Section 1. Everyday clothing. A t-shirt, casual top. A shirt, more formal with buttons. A blouse, a shirt for women. Trousers, British English. Pants, American English. Jeans, denim trousers. A skirt, a dress. Shorts for warm weather. A jacket, a coat, outerwear. A hoodie, casual top with a hood. Trainers or sneakers, sporty shoes. Boots, heels. Sandals. Practice, what are you wearing right now? Describe it in English. Section 2. Accessories and fabrics. Accessories, a scarf, a hat, a cap, gloves, a belt, a bag, sunglasses, jewelry, rings, necklaces, earrings. Fabrics, what clothes are made of? Cotton, soft and breathable. Wool, warm, leather from animals. Silk, smooth and shiny. Denim, jeans fabric. This coat is made of wool. How to use fabric words. Section 3. Shopping for clothes. These phrases help you in a clothing shop. Do you have this in a different size? Can I try this on to use the fitting room? It's too big, it's too small, it fits perfectly. Do you have any sale items? I'm looking for something casual. What would you recommend? Sizes in English: small, medium, large, extra large, or SML, XL. Very simple. Recap. Clothes: t-shirt, shirt, jeans, dress, jacket, coat, trainers. Accessories: scarf, hat, gloves, belt, sunglasses. Fabrics: cotton, wool, leather, silk. Shopping: can I try this on? It fits perfectly. Your challenge: describe your favorite outfit in the comments. Tell me what you are wearing and what it is made of. If this lesson helped you, please like the video. Subscribe to Learn Languages for a new lesson every week.